In this video, we'll introduce you to the settings and basic operations needed when using DJI RS3 for the first time. Unboxing DJI RS3 Combo. Open the DJI RS3 carrying case and take out the battery grip. For your first use the included USB-C charging cable to charge and activate the battery. After activation, take out the extended grip tripod, mount it to the battery grip, and unfold the tripod. Insert the battery grip into the gimbal. When you hear a clip sound, toggle the lever clockwise to lock the battery grip. To detach the battery grip, toggle the lever to the unlocked position. Then press and hold the detach button to detach the battery grip. The DJI RS3 Combo includes a lens fastening support, dual-layered quick-release plates, a multi-camera control cable for connecting the camera, a screw kit, and a USB-C charging cable. There is also a briefcase handle that can be mounted to the NATO port on the left side of the gimbal, a focus motor 2022, a focus motor rod mount kit combo, and a focus gear strip. Before activating DJI RS3, download and install the DJI Ronin app. Press and hold the power button to power on the gimbal. Select gimbal language. DJI RS3 provides 5 trial uses. After the trial, activation is required to continue using. Enable Bluetooth on your smartphone. Launch the Ronin app and register or log in with your DJI account. Tap Connect. Select DJI RS3. Enter the default password 12345678 and follow the on-screen instructions to activate DJI RS3. After activation, press and hold the power button to turn off the gimbal. Mount the upper quick release plate to the camera. Toggle the lever on the camera mounting plate to the unlocked position. Insert the lower quick release plate and toggle the lever to the locked position. Toggle the lever on the lower quick release plate to the unlocked position. Insert the upper plate and toggle the lever to the locked position after it is engaged. To ensure stable footage and obtain the best performance from DJI RS3, proper balancing is essential before use. Improper balance may reduce stability and battery runtime. Severe imbalance can lead to heated motors that will force the gimbal to enter sleep mode for protection. Please follow the subsequent order of balancing. Balancing the vertical tilt, balancing depth for the tilt axis, balancing the roll axis, and balancing the pan axis. Unlock the tilt axis lock. Rotate the tilt axis so that the camera lens is pointing upward. Check to make sure the camera is not top or bottom heavy. Loosen the mounting plate knob to adjust the center of gravity, tightening the mounting plate knob while holding the camera upward so the gimbal does not bear the weight of the camera. The vertical tilt is balanced when the camera is steady while pointing upward. Rotate the tilt axis so the camera is pointing forward. Check to make sure the camera is not front or back heavy. Toggle the lever on the mounting plate to the unlocked position and adjust the center of gravity. Toggle the lever to the locked position. The tilt axis is balanced when the camera is steady while tilted up or down by 45 degrees. Lock the tilt axis. Unlock the roll axis. Check to make sure the camera is not front or back heavy. Toggle the roll axis lever to the unlocked position and adjust the center of gravity. Toggle the lever on the roll arm to the locked position. The roll axis is balanced when the camera is steady at any angle. Lock the roll axis. Unlock the pan axis lock. While holding the grip, tilt the gimbal forward and rotate the pan axis arm until parallel with you to check the center of gravity. Toggle the pan axis arm lever to the unlock position and adjust the center of gravity. Toggle the pan axis arm lever to the locked position. The pan axis is balanced when the camera is steady when rotating the pan while tilting the grip. Press and hold the power button for 1 second to power on DJI RS3. Press and hold the M button and the trigger simultaneously to begin auto-tune. Press and hold the power button to power on the gimbal. Launch the Ronin app. Tap Connect and select your DJI RS3 Pro on the device list. Whenever there is a new firmware version available for update, you will see a prompt on the top of the main interface of the Ronin app. Tap Update Now to start firmware update. Do not turn off the gimbal or exit the app until the update is completed. When the Ronin app prompts Update Complete, the firmware is updated.